The range of motion, can they walk on their toes and their heels? Are they using a gait-assisted device? Where did they get it? Who prescribed it? And are they using it appropriately? For example, if somebody has a left knee problem, the cane, if they're using a cane, goes in the opposite side. Am I right, orthopedic surgeons? Okay. That's how I was trained. Why? Because they could press down on the opposite side to unload the affected side. Now, you see some of these rascals, they come in with cane is too short, like that. Or they come in with a big, I had this one guy, he came in with this, it's a wooden stick, it was a tree branch. It was. He shaved it down, shellacked it. He got one of these rubber stoppers that you buy at Home Depot for the chairs, put it underneath. He looked like Moses coming down off the mountain. So I said, yeah, what's with this? He said, oh yeah, I needed something to walk. I mean, it looked nice, but he looked like Moses. All right, and some of the other testing that I do. Here, somebody coming in with a self-prescribed stick, another cane. Now, a cane, if it's used properly, like I said, it's on the opposite side, I look at the cane to see if there's any wear and tear. If they're using the cane, I expect to see some wear on the rubber tip. I expect to see some scratches because canes don't stand up by themselves unless you have a hurricane now that you see on TV. That's a clever idea. So in any event, is it being used? If they're using it right, the top of it should come at the area of the greater trochanter. The elbow is usually in a flex position of 30 to 40 degrees. Okay? Not like this, not like that. Then who prescribed it? Did they tell you to stop it or whatever? But some of these rascals, they come in what is known as, I call an Uncle Louie cane. You never heard of it. That's a Tony Dorto definition. Uncle Louie worked on the docks in Brooklyn, New York. He hurt his back years ago. Someone prescribed the cane. He wore it for a while. He got better and then went up into the closet. 20 years later, somebody in the family decides that they're going to use a cane, so they take out the cane from the closet and they start using it. So that's what I call an Uncle Louie cane.